Hi guys, today I'm gonna give you some doodling ideas for Father's Day and happy Father's Day to all the fathers in the world. Whenever we talk about Father's Day, everyone will think of making gift tutorial videos. But I'm just gonna give you some tips and some doodling ideas to be added in your Father's Day gift, so that you can make your own creative gifts for your lovely fathers. First of all, the most common doodle for Father's Day is mustache. I'm drawing it now. And you can also draw beard, but I don't want to draw it. And I just want to tell you that there are many different types in drawing a mustache. Here I'm just drawing 5 of them. Then I'm drawing a worker bee. It's nice to see a worker bee having office bag, so I drawn it. Here, I'm drawing a dumbbell with mustache. Oh, I think it's pretty cool. I forgot to tell you that you can also draw dotted lines behind the honeybee. Now see, here I'm drawing it. This is a doodle of a bag of money which is tied closely. Even you can put the symbol of that money, but I'm not interested in doing that. You can also draw triple stars. You can draw it everywhere to say you like something there. Usually every fathers use computers, so I'm drawing it. Now I'm gonna tell you today's tip. Using a variety of thickness in your lines gives it a nice look. So try this tip while you're doodling and comment about your experience. Next, it's gonna be a suit, a coat suit. In this video you can learn to draw more than 45 doodles for Father's Day. When I completed drawing it, subsequently I had started drawing a hat and a tie. And as I already told you, for bees, you can draw dotted lines, or otherwise you can also draw plain lines, even for the plane. That's of a wish. Some of the fathers use bow, so you can also draw that. And then one of the most important thing they use daily is watch, so don't leave it. If you don't like drawing a computer, instead you can also draw a laptop. Whenever you draw a laptop doodle, you have to add fine details in it. Then, belt and office bag. These are one of the most important things they daily use. Can also draw cups or coffee mugs for drinking special drinks apart from water. I'm also writing Father's Quite in that coffee mug. That's of your own wish. Draw letters, emails, postcards, stamps, etc. And you can also draw things related to your father's job. Draw a bunch of paper to denote his hard work. Oh, a lot of work! You can also draw that in different ways. Before drawing this doodle, I'm just sketching it out with a pencil. Even you can draw this one to denote his hard work. As these doodles are specially made for this, you can also write for this quotes. Then add some more electronic doodles like mobile phones, cars, etc. Try sketching some of the opticals like funny glasses, cooling glasses, spec glasses, and a few more. Then draw some books. For me, it's somewhat shaky this time. You adjust your doodle. Here I'm sketching a star because I don't know to draw them by my own. But I'm just practicing to do that. I'm sketching it with mustache so that it looks like a father. Then draw ID card in the card. They write as the best dad. You can also draw his favorite foodie. Yeah, now I remember to draw a lucky pen. I think most of them have a lucky pen with them. If yes, let me know. Then draw a golden cup with inscripted letters as number 1 dad. And next is going to be the most funniest and the truest doodle in this collection. Yeah, they're really a Doodles toy. Now let's move on to some indirect doodles. For that, write as smile. After that, draw iron box. Then write as man. And now it means my Iron Man. As like the same, M plus Superman symbol plus Y is equal to my Superman. Later, I took a tape for drawing a circle. You can use whatever you have in this shape. I can draw a line free-handed. But I had tried for a lot of time to draw a circle by my own, but it's very difficult. But I'm gonna continue trying it in my free times. Then I'm drawing a design around the circle. It's of your own wish. At last, you can also write a coyote in it. This doodle is in the model of Party Pops and it shows that your father is your inspiration. You are the plus a toaster with a golden prop plus ever seen is equal to You are the best pop ever seen. It's a nice thing, you know. Oh, I had forgotten to draw a little star near the daddy star. No props, now let's complete it. And also, don't forget to draw documents. And at last, a dad icon. If you wish to, you can leave it as like this itself, or otherwise you can color it. It's coloring time! That's all. And guys, hope you would like this video, so kindly like, share, comment about this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for getting the notifications immediately. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.